It's Slappy here with Kurumi and Potato. So today we are playing Flee the Facility.
Woohoo!
And Potato has never played this game
I'm
before.
scared. What's going on? I'm a survivor. What are you?
What's happening? Ah!
What
are you? What are you?
She's bees. Okay,
Sorry.
so
We're
you have to come around and kill us, and you click us with your rope, and then you hit E when you're by a blue thing, and you can capture us, and we can freeze to death.
I'm scared. Oh dear.
Okay, so try your best. We have to hack computers and escape, and your goal is to capture us, and we'll freeze us to death.
Yeah.
Okay.
We won't do that.
And you can't
I see somebody.
Not me. Me.
I think I just passed her.
No.
Oh, someone failed right next to me though. No.
I haven't even killed one person.
Oh dear, I'm
Or
scared.
like
I want to go
captured
to
one
this
person.
door. I want to go to this door.
My thumb hurts so much.
Wait, who just failed?
I don't know. You're scaring me. My thumb is like dying here. Okay. Life. Thumb.
So,
life.
do you think you could kill people? Did you kill
Why
someone?
are you saying-
No, I haven't killed anyone.
This
I
takes
didn't find
forever.
Anybody.
Sloppy help. Sloppy help. We have to
Wait,
help each other.
upstairs? I didn't even know that.
This is gonna be an easy round.
That's not nice to say.
Okay, I'm gonna help you, Potato. Okay, I want you to capture me.
No, help me.
No, I want Potato to capture me. Potato, come back to where you were.
I got.
Which way did you go at the? Potato, stop moving for a second.
Oh dear God, that guy scared me.
Go back to that big room you passed with the staircases.
I see you, dude. I see you, dude. I see you, dude. Wait.
I know
need to
that
get
dude.
this
I know that dude.
I catch you.
I think I knew that dude. I know.
Are you gonna?
I capture you. How do I get it? I'm
Okay,
confused.
attach a rope to him. You click him by doing that.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Okay.
Someone can see
Go,
a computer.
peasant. Come on, peasant.
And then
Let's go.
do you have him on a rope?
Yes.
Okay, now take him to one of the blue capsules. He has a limited time being down, so you gotta go quickly.
Where are the computers at though?
Wait, what? That didn't work. Dang it.
Why is it so dark in here? Of course, there'll be a computer in the dark.
Where are you?
I'm trying to find you.
Why won't you help me, your friend? Also,
Well,
I feel so
I'm
lonely.
trying to help
I
him.
opened it.
Where are you?
Ooh,
Are you guys are not in this worldly place, right?
Hmm?
No, never mind. I'm not gonna ask.
I saw. Oh wait, Potato, stop moving. Potato, stop moving. Potato, stop moving. I just saw you. Potato, stop moving. Which way did you go? Right or left? Oh, I see you. Okay, kill me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me.
I don't like.
Okay,
what
now
you guys are doing.
click me. Click me. Now go out
I
to.
clicked it.
Okay, only once. Only once. Click me again. Click me again. I'll tell you when not to click me.
Oh, hi, dude. Hi, dude.
Try
Oh,
again. Try again. Okay, now do not click me again. Okay, now find a blue capsule. See all those blue things? You gotta find one. You can open doors by holding down E. Go in there, yeah, go in there. Go in there quickly. Up the stairs, I think.
I'm so scared.
Blue
How
capsule.
do I play
Oh,
capsule?
I got, hold on, I got free. I'm coming upstairs.
Why are you helping her? Oops, I touched.
Because I want her to know how to do it, okay?
Okay.
Now, kill me again and attach a rope. You have to come save me.
Wait,
I'm not coming
Well,
to
how do you
save you.
touch
You're
the
the one
rope?
that
Okay,
sacrificed
now
yourself.
what?
Now you go to the capsule and you hit E.
Where's the last computer at?
Okay, there, that's how you do it, okay?
I'll come save you now, I guess.
Thank you. I was just explaining to her how to do it, you know? And then as a survivor, you have to try and run away and hack computers. Can you save me so I don't
I'm
die?
trying
I'm upstairs.
to.
I'm upstairs.
Is she over there?
No, she's not. I'm scared though. I'm dying. Help me.
I don't know how to get over there. Oh dear.
Jump!
I don't want to jump. I do want to jump.
Jump over to the other side. Go
I
up
can't
the
do that.
other staircase. Go up the other staircase. Someone help me.
I'm scared.
Potato, I'm gonna die. Let me live.
No, let her die. She's the one that sacrificed herself.
No, help me!
No, get away.
Help me!
I don't know where you went.
Potato, hurry, come up and stand by me so I don't die. Help me, sir. Help me, sir. Help me, sir. Sir, there was just a guy there. Please, I beg.
Like,
Help.
look away.
Help me! Help me! He was right
Stop screaming. Don't scream.
there! I died just before he saved me. He was so charming.
Oh, hi. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out.
You guys, you're just going to the door.
I'm scared. Let me out.
I just
Let me
killed
out.
the dude.
Yeah, yes. Oh, thank the health of me.
Bring him to the thing quickly.
Oh no! I can't help it.
I'm going as fast as I can.
If you don't go
Calm
fast,
yourself, child.
Spectate.
I can't open this door.
you have to hold down. Okay, hurry. Hit E. No, there's a capsule right there. Hit E. Go behind you.
Go. Yeah. Keep on following. Yeah.
E. Yes.
Now stay there, but to start kind of far away. But I don't know. There's 2 people left. Wait, no, 1 person left. Wait, where's the other guy? The other guy. Oh, he helped him. He helped him. They're on the run.
They're on the run. Go.
They go back to the capsule area. Both of them are on the run.
Oh my gosh. They're
They
not.
went through that broken window.
They escaped.
Oh, one escaped. Wait, where's the other one? The other one escaped. All of them escaped.
You lost, Potato.
Escaped.
Well, okay, this is my first time playing.
Yeah,
This
that's
is really
fine.
good.
Yeah,
It's
you
also
did.
my first time I ever got out, so thank you also for that help.
I'm pretty sure, I was trash.
You did pretty good
Because
though.
trash, and I'm trash.
No, you're not trash.
I'm gonna stop at 10 minutes because I don't got the space.
Do one more round.
Yeah, we're gonna do one more round.
Okay, guys, we're just gonna do one more
Sorry
round.
and also I should probably also say there's gonna be a lot of screaming. Sorry, since I
Yeah,
know at the
just
beginning.
FYI.
Yeah, warning. There's gonna be a lot of screaming.
We already broke through your eardrums, so.
I'm just gonna write that in.
Yeah.
What's
I
going
forgot
on?
what your YouTube channel's called. Can you tell me after?
Yeah.
Yes. You should subscribe.
I subscribe to you. You subscribe to me, and it's all happiness.
I subscribed to her, and I subscribed to you, I think, but then I forgot what your channel
Guess what,
was
Potato?
called.
Guess what, Potato? Guess what?
This looks scary.
What?
I have 6 subscribers.
I have 15.
I have 16 subscribers.
I used to have more, but then
I'm not talking to you guys anymore.
Talk about it.
I'm not talking to you
Why?
because you guys have so many subscribers, and I just.
That's not so many.
You guys have 16. She has 16. That's 10 more than me.
There's 27 minutes. Can we
You have 10 more than Mule.
Please,
This is taking
guys,
so long.
guys, please make me feel better by hitting that like and subscribe button down below.
You're so zoomed into your face.
Otherwise, I will come to your house and haunt you in your sleep.
Yes.
Potato.
I am a survivor. What are you? Oh my God! You're the beast.
I'm really
Oh, I hate this.
Oh, I'm crouching. I'm not able to crouch. I'm not supposed to be able to crouch. Wait, if I do that, what will happen?
Wait, are you the it thing?
She's the
Hey,
it thing, and you don't want to
Wait,
be
Slappy, do you
with her
promise
right
you
now.
won't get me?
Oh no! Oh my gosh. Oh, I was gonna say there's a problem. Okay,
Is there a problem?
where are you?
You promise you won't get me.
What about
No,
me?
I have no promise.
Oh, I messed up. I
I
messed
don't
up,
make
didn't I?
promises.
No,
Oh my God,
stay away! Stay away from me! No, potato help! Potato help! Touch E! Touch E! Go over to the computer. Go to the computer where I am right now. Wait, and then there's gonna be touch E. It's touch E. There's gonna be you have to touch the E.
E?
Yeah.
I clicked E. Oh my God.
Come here, Potato. I just want to help you.
Potato.
No, I'm just.
You'll be okay.
I'm putting
I
you.
am watching you. I'm watching Potato. I'm making sure you're gonna be okay.
Help!
I'm watching you.
Help!
I'm staying with you, Potato. We'll work this out together.
I'm putting you in a medicine thing. Okay, it's just.
No, stop.
It just.
She doesn't deserve this.
It heals your body. Hello. I would like to put you in. I want to put you in.
Being thrown around the
I can't put you in. Why are you doing?
Ah, no. Potato, help. Potato. I helped you. You have to help me. Potato. Potato. Potato.
I can't. I'm running.
Wow.
Which way did you go, Potato?
I'm
Potato.
not telling you.
Potato. Someone help. Someone help your poor little devil.
I found 2 more people.
My voice sounds so weird.
I just found 2 people.
Oh, my drink is spilling on the bed.
yeah.
You should probably check that out. I'm halfway almost dead.
He just.
Someone help. Can someone help?
I'm coming.
Please
just
come.
hacked
My
this
video's
computer.
almost 10 minutes. I need to be free.
No, you need to finish. Oh wait.
What?
No, we need to finish the round.
I see lights. I don't like it. I don't like lights. Can you come closer? I need to do camera see. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer.
You see me
please.
shaking my
That
head?
sounds like something like almost a serial killer.
No!
Let me out! Yes, I am! I'm watching you. I'm helping.
Your mom's probably trying.
How do I let go?
Oh my God.
Let's go.
I'm
Oh, you need to run for it.
running! Come out here! Oh
I'm trying. Ah, help again, help again, help again, please. Help again, help again, help again. Help again, please. Oh dear.
I'll come for you once I know that she's gone.
She's gone. She's not gone, I'm sorry. Yes, thank you. Thank you! No! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Dude, get out! Dude.
I don't know what
Stay
you.
away,
Oh, he
stay
went. He came back. He came back. He came back.
Why did he come back?
I don't
What's
know.
wrong with him? I'm not helping him. He's on his own.
Wait, where are you?
I don't know her. Hello. I have to put you on a string. Hey. No.
You better run away. I'm not helping him. I'm sorry. I'm a bad person. I just really need not.
Honestly, I'm a bad person too.
Yes.
So like, no reason to feel sorry.
I'm doing so well right now. Can you not do what you're doing right
Wait,
now?
where-
You scared me.
Yeah.
I'm hacking. I'm scared also. My thumb's like shivering. That was not correct. It's English.
I'm helping him. I'm giving
Dang it, I
him
can't expect
therapy.
I'm gonna help soon. Don't worry.
Therapy.
Was it the exact
Oh
spot
my
you
God.
put me earlier by chance?
Therapy. No.
I'm scared. I'm in a hiding spot and I don't want to leave.
I'm not helping. I'm sorry. I don't help. I don't help people.
Where are you?
I just finished talking to someone. I'm busy.
I don't know where
Look
she
at my
is.
screen. I'm sad. I literally saw the light, I think. I think I saw the light.
There's two people
If I
here.
have to be honest, I've seen Flappy about 10 times now.
Ah, boy. Boy. No!
Oh my
Boy!
gosh,
Boys!
Hi. 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 You know.
This is like the end of my video, probably now. Just me trying to dying. There's 2 computers
oh my
left.
god.
Come on, stay away. Stay away. Get me. Get me away. Get me away. Get me away. I'm so close to
Wait, are you
freedom.
captured?
Oh, really? 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 Where'd you go?
I'm not there anymore. I'm
Wait,
literally
who's
like running.
captured?
I don't know what you're doing.
Are you captured, human?
Wait, how did you?
Yes, I am. I'm kind of. Not really.
Halfway.
Wait,
I'm like a wobbling fish.
Oh, did I hit you right back again? Wow. I'm just gonna.
I'm just
Stop.
scared.
Stop.
Oh my
Stop.
I'm
Stop.
putting you out of your misery.
No, I even like literally my thumb is hurting. You
Oh my
need to
God.
stop. You need to stop this madness. Get me out. No, I'm so
Oh
No,
my
I'm
God.
sorry.
Oh my.
No, I'm sorry. I need you to die.
Nope.
It's not letting me
I
hit.
agree.
Wait.
I agree to this terms.
Oh my gosh, wait,
I
I
just
see
saw
you.
you.
Oh god. I'm watching this.
Stop me out.
Wait, are you down? Are you down?
No, let me out.
I'm
Let
watching
me out.
this.
Let me out. Let me out. Let me
I'm
out. Let me
watching
out. Let me out.
Hello there. Wait, you just fell down the stairs, really?
Oh my god.
My video is probably like 15 minutes long now. I cannot post that.
Oh, mine's 13.
I've posted videos that are like 20 minutes long.
Mine's 13, so I'm done. Bye and have a nice
See you guys
day.
next time. Bye.